Good morning. So today is Friday, my normal day off from my full-time job, but I actually took on a second job, I guess, not necessarily a job. I'm gonna go help out my past employers with a little project that they have going on. So I'm gonna go do that right now and drive out to Ontario because that's where that's located. And I was gonna take Miss Mona because the owners would like to see her and meet her, but she's way too sleepy and lazy in the morning where she refuses to leave her crate and she just wants to lay around. So I'm not gonna bring her, which is probably for the better so I can get work done faster. Now that you can't see me, I'll just drive. Hey y'all, so I am out of work, I guess. I ended up staying for about 6 hours, but I did have about an hour-long lunch where the owner ended up buying my lunch. It was Chipotle. I'm at the 99-cent store because it's down the street, and I just wanted to get like snacks and stuff. There used to be these crackers I used to get my brother that were gluten-free, and I was hoping they were wheat-free, but they're not. This entire aisle basically I'm allergic to. It's where like all the cereals and cookies and stuff are. So I don't think I can get anything here, but I found these really cute plants and I'm getting like cleaners and stuff. I'm just gonna get these things and then head home to see my little girl. So I'm at the Habitat for Humanity Restore and I'm actually looking at this desk. It's $137, they're in the box, they're new, but I would prefer to buy this here than on Amazon. I did see it on Amazon for a higher price, so I think I'm gonna get one of these. Hey y'all, so I am back home now. I'm actually gonna have my Chipotle leftovers because I'm a little bit hungry again. So I'm gonna have that and an orange. And then I need to get to studying. I have to rewatch a lecture for a class. Actually, I probably need to rewatch all of the lectures for that class. I'm having a final on Tuesday and classmates and I are meeting up tomorrow for like, I think it's 9 hours. They set up nine hours to study. And I probably won't be there all 9 hours, to be honest. I usually cap out at like 3 of studying straight back to back. I'll probably take a break and then do like another 3. I get the sofritas and veggie bowl from Chipotle. So my main goal is to study. Even though I have my new laptop, I still haven't set it up because I know that if I sit down to start setting it up, I'm just gonna get into it and then I won't actually do the things that I need to get done. So I'm telling myself I cannot open my computer until finals are over so that I can actually focus on doing that. I already started multitasking and then procrastinating and veering off doing other stuff, so I need to really focus. Hey y'all, so I just realized that I didn't update on the desk that I was gonna get at Habitat for Humanity. The sales associate actually advised for me to wait a week or two because they're gonna put those on sale, I believe at 50% off, so they're gonna be super cheap. And she also showed me these teeny tiny miniature little freaking things. I didn't need them, but of course I got them. It's like a tiny tricycle, a balance scale, and a little sewing machine. And there was one more thing, a candelabra. Did I need any of them? No. Am I gonna keep them? Maybe. Stay here, love. As I ate dinner, I didn't realize it started raining, so I haven't gotten all my things down from the car. And I didn't have bags to bring my groceries in, so it's actually covering my face. Oh, this is a mess. So where the heck are my keys? Disaster. Here's... All right, secured the bags. Hey y'all, so right now I'm going to I'm gonna listen to a lecture. I don't feel great right now. I feel like I'm getting a migraine. My glasses keep bothering me, so I keep taking them off, but because I can't see, then my eyes are being strained, so then my head hurts, so it's just like this little never-ending cycle. It's really obnoxious. I'm gonna attempt to listen to this, write my notes out, and just get everything done that I need to. Hey y'all, so studying did not go well. My migraine just got worse and worse. I honestly can barely even think. I got dizzy standing up from the couch, so I just came upstairs. I have Miss Mona here. She's playing on my bed with a bone. And I actually have my dim light on in my room because the light hurts my eyes. You want to play? Give it to me. Thank you. I made it all but like 3 minutes of trying to tidy my room before I decided to just shut all the lights off. The only thing you can see is the clock. Okay, Mona. Okay, all right. I have Mona here in bed with me in the dark. I keep tossing the bone and she basically like sniffs for it. Okay, all right. And yeah, I'm trying to play with her as much as I can, but I really am struggling. So I might just do this for a little bit longer and then put her in her crate because I really just need some sleep and hopefully this migraine can go away. So yeah, I'm just gonna say goodnight here. Good night. Good morning, y'all. So today's Saturday. I woke up feeling a little bit better, but honestly still have a bit of a headache. I'm gonna put Mona outside so she can go potty and have some breakfast, and then I'm gonna start getting ready so that I go meet with my classmates on campus to study for our final. Hey y'all, so my classmates actually decided to meet up later. They said at 1 p.m. It's noon right now. I'm printing out a couple of checks that I need to take to the bank, and then I'm also going to go to Moreno Valley. I need to drop something off and then head to school. So my heart is racing. I had that vanilla latte this morning and it's too much caffeine. I shouldn't have drank that. So I'm just going to be chugging water all day, hoping that this anxiety kind of like levels out a bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that and then head to school. So I made it to campus, but tell me why I had to start to sprinkle and rain right now. So it's barely sprinkling. Hopefully it lets up because the rainier the weather, the less I want to study. I have my laptop, snacks, my backpack, tea, I have everything with me so that I'm not tempted to leave. Oh. Hey y'all, so it is about 7 p.m. right now. I'm just getting done with studying. Is it raining? I can't tell if it's actually raining. No. Yes? Oh, it's sprinkling a little bit. I'll just hurry up and get to my car. So I just got home and this thing is in big trouble. Do you see her right there? You can barely see her. She's right there. She's in big trouble because she went potty again right here by the doggy door instead of going outside because it's raining. So I let her come inside now. She's a little bit shy. She was shy for a little bit, but one way to get her to come to me immediately is by sitting on the floor. So I did just that. And as you can see, she's giving me lots of kisses. Poor baby. I feel bad every time I put her outside and I reprimand her, but that's the only way they're gonna learn. Good morning, baby. I'm gonna make some repollo guisado. I've been wanting that since last night, but I didn't make it, so now I will. And then I gotta head back to campus to keep studying. It's not fun, but it's a must. You guys don't even know how happy I am to see the sun shining. I just realized I didn't bring my umbrella with me, and even though the sun is kind of out right now, the clouds are clearing up right above me. You can see behind me, they're still rolling in, so I hope it doesn't start raining because if it does, I'm gonna have to run to my car or something with all my stuff. Just as I feared, it is. Hey y'all, so it is 6 p.m. now. There's a break in the rain, so I'm gonna rush home, get an umbrella, a coat, check on Mona, and then go grocery shopping. I was supposed to go straight from here, but I don't want to risk getting wet. All right, y'all, so I just did some laundry. I'm gonna use my back massager right now to massage my back and my neck. I have, oh no, I'm going to just do that for a little while because my back is killing me. I'm sure I still need to play with her for a while longer. So I'll toss that bone around while I use my massager. Good night.